Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Riding Custom. You guys were watching on our live today. You saw me go ahead and bedline the bottom of the running boards here for the 1944 two-door sedan. Right now they're still tacky, but they're drying. And yeah, we did the Raptor bedliner on them. It turned out really good. I'm really happy with them. Check this out. Turned out pretty slick. I really like this Raptor bedliner stuff. It's amazing. The only thing I really got left on them is to untape them and get the tape and plastic off of them, and then they're done. So happy with that. Big Ron worked on his rear fenders a little more today, but mostly he was helping me out, doing all kinds of weird projects. But this is the other thing we did. So this is our 1958 Chevy Apache driver's door. And if you guys have been watching at all, and if you haven't, this is kind of what happened. The bottom of the door was rusted really bad. So is this panel here. So we cut off the door bottom, and that gave us access to inside of the door, which was covered in, you know, just surface rust and everything. So I went ahead and poured 15 the inside of the door, got all that done, and now it's drying the best it can in 60-degree weather. And we're about to set this back in the house so it can dry in the heat. And then yeah, so huge step in progress for the Apache, because this was holding us up. So now we can go ahead and hammer and dolly out this here, and we can put the door bottom on, and then we can mount the door, and then we can get the door bottom patch panel, which is going to replace all of this. Will get replaced pretty much up quite a bit here, probably 6-7 inches with a new door bottom, so on the outside. So kind of cool. But now we definitely are in a good position here with this. So happy with that. That's huge. Really happy with the running boards. 40 sitting here all pretty. And we did go ahead when we did this and plasticed off the Apache so we didn't kill it. And here's the door bottom that's going to be going on, the black piece there. So that's kind of where that's at. But I wanted to show you guys this, let you in on what we've been doing, trying to get back on the cars as much as possible. Big Ron's been working hard on the fenders and all things 1944. We're in discussions about getting this. We're definitely painting it black, but about a flame job. So we're seeing if maybe that we can make that happen. So trying to get a hold of the guys and that do that, and see if we can't maybe make that happen. So stay tuned for that. This could be getting black with a crazy flame job on it, which would be pretty cool. So I think everybody calls them Ohio flames or something like that, but basically the same kind of flames that are in our logo. That's my dad's Model A sedan from years ago, and we'd like to get the same kind of thing done here. So that'd be kind of cool. So up the hood, grill would be painted yellow probably. Flames up the hood, up the fenders. Headlight rings will be painted to match the flames and everything, whatever color that ends up being. And then have them come down the side here and stop somewhere in here. And then what I'd like to have done is pinstriping done on the tailgate, on the deck lid here, and then on the dash on the glove box door. That would be kind of cool. So see where that goes. But that is something that may honestly be coming up very soon in the next month or two. So we'll see where that goes, what they want as far as money to do that, and what they need us to do, and so on and so forth. But no matter what, this is getting painted black soon. So that's the big thing. And we're definitely in the weather now to where, you know, I think it's 61 degrees or something right now. So it's fucking cold. But yeah, so lots of things happening. Big Ron is back. He is doing well. He's been cleared by the dock. He can use his arm again, so now he's a sanding machine. And we're we're just he's wetting. So anyways, guys, hope you're having a great day. Hope you guys have a good New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. You definitely will hear from me again before then, but stay safe, and we're gonna keep rocking over here. I do think here today I'm gonna call Yogi's and order the engine and mounts for the Apache, and get them coming, and so we can get the engine, that engine over there, this guy with the bucket on top of it, into that truck, and kind of get rolling there. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate all of you. If you're watching this, please like and subscribe, and we will we'll be back tomorrow with something. We'll be working on the 40 somehow, I promise. We're the Apache, so stay tuned for all that, guys. Thanks again.